This tip is gonna really make your life very easy. Check this out. I'm actually scheduling Microsoft Outlook appointment from Microsoft Excel, and this is how you do it. You start by creating a table that looks something like that in Excel with date, time, duration. This is going to be in minutes. Subject will be the appointment subject, and colors. There's a few colors that's supported by Outlook, and these are the colors. And after that, a button where we can assign a macro to it. So after that, you're going to go right click on your worksheet name and go view code. In here, you're going to go to tools and you're going to add a reference library in it. Make sure you have Microsoft Outlook 16.0 object library enabled like this. And after that, go OK. Now you're going to right click on Microsoft Objects and go insert module. In here, in the module, you're going to paste this VBA script. If you like this VBA script to be sent to you, please leave a request on the comment or DM me tip 366 and I'll send you this VBA script. In this VBA script, there's a couple of things that you can customize. One thing is this one here. The sheet name is sheet number 1 for me here. As you can see, it could be different on yours. If you got this VBA script, just make sure that you modify them. And if you decide to modify this table in different way, like date is in C3, time is in C4, everything is in column C here. So if you look at the VBA script here, these are the spots you have to modify. This is going to be your date, and it's going to be your time, and this is going to be your duration, subject, category, which is your color itself. After that, press Ctrl S to save your VBA script, and let's minimize this guy here. Now you're going to right click on the button here, assign macro, and you're going to assign the same function that you just created on your module and click OK. Let's save it, and now you can start scheduling your Outlook using your Excel. You can assign, say for example, 9 a.m. like that. On the 21st, let's say it's gonna be for an hour meeting, which is 60 minutes. And you say, maybe you're gonna say some SINAC meeting, and you can assign the color for it. Maybe it's urgent, you're gonna put red. And if you schedule it, you can see it will appear on your Outlook calendar.